My birds asked to take a bath today.
Here,
Oh my god, baby, look at them!
Here, plug this in.
They're like we're in the water.
And I just remembered, today is that day. No power between 8 and 3 p.m. The heater is not working, the air purifier either, I cannot vacuum their room, but we are gonna give them a bath. My husband had a brilliant idea. The power bank wasn't charged.
I don't know if this has enough battery.
The PC battery backup is not working either.
We're gonna try to draw power from here. Cross your fingers.
Okay.
And oh, we have to turn the car on first. Duh.
Is it working? It's not working. Oh man. It doesn't have enough power. I hear something. Oh.
Oh, we probably actually turned it down too far. Yeah, it's all
Is
right.
it working? Yay! We have water babies! We have bath! Good job!
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you. Alright guys, it's ready. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. It's ready.
So I'm going to be honest, after all this work, nobody wanted to bathe. But here's a video from a few days ago.